Hello, my name is Thomas Key, and I am President and CEO of Stock Traders Daily. This is Trend Tracker. It trades the NASDAQ 100 and the NASDAQ 100 ETFs, QID and QLD. It trades the most lucrative market in our current market environment based on a strict set of rules. Those rules are set to 3051 by default, but there are backtesting options as well. You can find out what the best rule sets have been in the recent past by reviewing backtesting. Once you find one that you like, you could assign it. The values here will change, and save. Once you do that, the rules that govern the support and resistance levels for the NASDAQ 100 will change to be most optimized for the current environment. The next step is to update the parameters and to click Sync. This will synchronize your trend tracker with the support and resistance levels we offer through Stock Traders Daily every day. However, if you wanted to adapt these to support and resistance levels that you have identified, you could do that as well. For this, we have synced the changes and we will save them. Once that is done, we could review our trade settings, but usually you only have to do this once. And after that, you can save those changes and have them apply to every other day. If you want email alerts, Trend Tracker can do that for you as well when trades happen. Once you have set this up, all you have to do is click Activate, and Trend Tracker will start to manage the strategy for you. The default strategy of 3051 has an exceptional long-term track record, but you can do better. There are more optimal trading strategies, especially as market conditions change. And the backtesting in Trend Tracker allows you to adapt to those changes. Trend Tracker will trade the NASDAQ 100 using QID and QLD for you without you doing any other work than you already saw here. Trend Tracker is an automated, correlated market timing and stock selection tool that has been incorporated into our offerings for a very long time. Trend Tracker is not new. It has been around for a long time and it has a proven record. I encourage you to use Trend Tracker and to let the automated tools work for you while you do other things. Not only is this something that busy professionals can use, but Trend Tracker is also something that can help you if you are a trader who finds himself succumbing to temptation and not following the rules sometimes. Trend Tracker is a strict rules-based strategy. It will execute stop losses if support levels break, for example. Please review Trend Tracker, test it in paper trading mode, and if you have questions, let us know. Once you are comfortable, you can apply Trend Tracker to your existing brokerage account and trade real money. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.